questions of neuroanatomy. The motor nucleus of the facial nerve. Motor nucleus of facial nerve is located in which part of the brain stem? The answer is pons. Facial nerve is the seventh cranial nerve और lower part of pons में होते हैं ये facial nerve along with the sixth cranial nerve. Decussation of the pyramids occur in the lower medulla. Right. The Broca's area is located in the which Brodmann's area? Broca's area is located in the 44-45 Brodmann's area. 22 Brodmann's area is called as the Wernicke's area. Brodmann's area and Wernicke's area are joined by the white fiber called uncinate fasciculus. Trapezoid body in the pons contain crossing fiber of which pathway? Option first auditory, second visual, third motor, fourth olfactory. Answer auditory. Lateral spinothalamic tract carries the which sensation? Option first temperature and pressure, option second pain and temperature, option third vibration sensation, option four proprioception, option second temperature and pressure. Sorry, pain and temperature. Pain and temperature. Which cranial nerve emerges from the dorsal aspect of the brainstem? Only trochlear nerve is a nerve which emerges from the dorsal aspect of the brainstem. So the answer is trochlear nerve. The stratum is formed by option first caudate nucleus plus putamen, option second globus pallidus plus putamen, option third caudate plus thalamus, option fourth subthalamus plus putamen. Option first. Answer is option first. Caudate nucleus and putamen. Putamen and the globus pallidus are the part of lentiform nucleus. And the putamen is present on the lateral side. The globus pallidus present on the medial side. Which artery is classically involved in the Wallenberg syndrome? Wallenberg syndrome is also known as the lateral medullary syndrome, and the posterior inferior cerebellar artery is involved in the Wallenberg syndrome. Medial longitudinal fasciculus is mainly concerned with option first auditory reflex, second coordination of the eye movements, olfactory reflex, and fourth option pain modulation. The answer is coordination of the eye movements. Which of the following is not a derivative of the diencephalon? Diencephalon include the thalamus, hypothalamus, subthalamus, epithalamus, metathalamus. But it does not include the midbrain. So the answer is midbrain. The cerebellum derived from which embryological structure? Option first telencephalon, second metencephalon, third mesencephalon, 5 myelencephalon. Answer is metencephalon. Pons is also derived from the metencephalon. Internal capsule carries all the following fibers except corticospinal tract, corticobulbar tract, corticopontine tract, and option 4 dorsal column tract. Answer is dorsal column tract. Dorsal column tract किसको कहते हैं? Tract of gall and birdlatch, also known as a dorsal column tract. Then limbic system include the all of following except amygdala, hippocampus, caudate, cingulate gyrus, and caudate nucleus. Answer is caudate nucleus. Limbic system include the amygdala, hippocampus, cingulate gyrus, but it does not include the caudate nucleus. Ventral posterolateral nucleus of the thalamus receive the impulses from the spinothalamic and the medial lemniscus. Option second optic tract, option third olfactory bulb, option 4 auditory pathway. Answer is spinothalamic tract. Answer is spinothalamic tract and medial lemniscus. Corticospinal tract decussate at the corticospinal tract decussate at pyramids. Answer is pyramid. in the corticospinal tract decussate at corticospinal tract decussate in the medulla in the pyramids. पिरामिड जो है मेडुला में प्रेजेंट होते हैं ना. Corticospinal tract decussate at pyramids in the midbrain. In the medulla. Substantia nigra is a part of which brain structure? Midbrain. The flocculonodular lobes of the cerebellum is mainly concerned with the balance and the posture, coordination of the fine movements, motor planning, emotional regulation, balance of the fine movements. Which cranial nerve carries parasympathetic fiber to the parietal? Glossopharyngeal nerve. The red nucleus is located in the midbrain. The fornix connect which part of the fornix connect which two structures? The fornix connect the option first the hippocampus and mammillary body. Option second thalamus to the hypothalamus. Option second amygdala and prefrontal cortex. Option fourth cerebellum and the brainstem. So answer is hippocampus and mammillary body. Hippocampus and mammillary body. Ventral tegmental area is mainly involved in the rewards and motivation. Ventral tegmental area जो सबस्टेंशिया नाइग्रा है उसे वेंट्रल टेगमेंटल एरिया कहते हैं. और सबस्टेंशिया नाइग्रा क्या सीक्रेट करता है? डोपामाइन. और वो किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? मोटिवेशन. Oculomotor nerve carries which type of fibers? Option first somatic fiber and the parasympathetic fiber. Somatic sensory only, motor only, and parasympathetic only. The answer is somatic, motor, and the parasympathetic fibers. Olfactory nerve is unique because it does not pass through the thalamus, has a parasympathetic fibers emerging from the pons, decussate at the midline. Answer is does not pass through the thalamus. The thalamus is a sensory relay station for all senses, but it is not a sensory relay station of the olfactory. Very important. PICA means posterior inferior cerebral artery supplies lateral medulla and inferior cerebellum, midbrain, pons, and superior cerebellum. Answer is lateral medulla and inferior cerebellum. Arachnoid villi are mainly responsible for CSF production, CSF absorption into the venous system, CSF circulation, and blood-brain barrier maintenance. CSF absorption and into the venous system. Answer is this: CSF absorption into the venous system. The hypothalamus regulate all the following except option first body temperature, option second hunger and the thirst, option third conscious motor control, option fourth sleep and wake cycle. Answer is sleep and wake cycle. Very easy. Sleep and wake cycle is controlled by the pineal gland. Central aqueduct connect lateral ventricle to third ventricle. Option second third ventricle to fourth ventricle. Option fourth ventricle to third ventricle. Option third था और ऑप्शन फोर्थ है थर्ड वेंट्रिकल टू lateral ventricle. But answer is third ventricle to fourth ventricle. Central aqueduct connect the third ventricle to fourth ventricle. Which tract is responsible for the voluntary movement? Fine voluntary movement. Option first is a lateral corticospinal tract, spinothalamic tract. Option third dorsal column. Option 4 vestibulospinal tract. Answer is lateral corticospinal tract. I hope you all like these questions. Thank you so much.